The milk curve deviation report is a robust tool for monitoring cow preparation before milking. Let's first identify what our ideal data and graph look like. In this example, we can see that the average percentage of milk harvested during session 2 was above the 45% goal. This means that, on average, almost half the milk was harvested within the first 2 minutes of cups attachment. This is an excellent result. Target milking times are based on milk production. Here we can see the actual milking times are consistently shorter than their targets, another high-performance indicator. We can also see that the flow rate consistently increased within those first 2 minutes following cups attachment. As expected, from the first 15 seconds to the first 30 seconds, flow rate increased exponentially as the cistern milk was harvested. Milk flow slowed but continued to increase as the stream switched to alveoli milk from 30 to 60 seconds. In the second minute, milk flow again increased dramatically. This data is reflected in the graph below. The first 30 seconds display a steep increase, which slows down as the milk streams switch, and then increases again in the second minute. Milk flow reaches its peak around the 2-minute mark. We can also see the cups are removed as soon as milk flow drops past the set low flow rate. The entire process finishes at around 4 minutes, which is well under the milking time goal. These are the signs of good preparation. Now let's look at an example and provide feedback. Open milking efficiency, and then open the milk curve deviation report. By default, only the last 24 hours are displayed, but we can see this farm milks 3 times a day. Let's increase our view to at least the last 10 days to help determine any trends. Right away, we can see that sessions 2 and 3 display stable and healthy average milk harvests in the first 2 minutes. We can also see that their flow rates consistently increase. In general, the actual milking time for all sessions exceeds the targets for this farm. This is confirmed in the graph below. Areas for improvement would be to increase initial flow rate. This may help move the peak flow towards the first 2 minutes. Cups should also be removed much earlier. The same pattern is evident in other session 2 milkings. We can see that session 1 milkings consistently underperform. In each case, the average percentage milk harvested in the first 2 minutes is significantly lower than the goal. And we can also see evidence of bimodality, where the flow rates decrease after the first 30 seconds. In general, bimodality is high in all the sessions. But we can see it is particularly high in this session, with at least half of the milked cows experiencing bimodality. The graph reflects the same issues. Here we see evidence of bimodality as the milk streams switch. We can also see the flow rate peaks much later, after the 2-minute mark. Right-click on Session Header and select Sub-Summary. Scroll to the bottom of the report to view the averages for the selected period. We can see that Session 1 data underperforms across all performance parameters, while Sessions 2 and 3 achieve much better results. We recommend reviewing the cow preparation protocols with Session 1 staff.